What's up, guys? So I'm in the whip and we just arrived at Dynamic Motorsports. I got the springs in the back, so they're gonna pop on the springs for us, and then getting ready for the wheels to come on, and then I'll give you guys like a before and after. So I'll catch you guys once they put on the springs. What's up, guys? So it's the next day today. I picked up the car pretty late last night, but the springs are on, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick kind of what it looks like from the side view, the back view. It's definitely noticeable. I'm gonna put before and after pictures like later in a second so you can actually see side by side, but other than that, I'm gonna do like nice little 360 and then you get to see what it looks like now. Yes sir, look at this. So yeah, the gap is definitely much less, and as you can see, here's the front. It looks good, honestly. And then if we look at it from the front, a little bit closer to the ground, it's gonna look real nice once we get that splitter on. And then from the back, I think it looks better now from the back because the back is now actually closer to the ground as well. So it's like it completes the look, in my opinion. All right, guys, so we got the springs installed at Dynamic Motorsport Experience in Suwanee, Georgia. So if you're in the Atlanta area, the Suwanee, Georgia area, whatever it is, make the drive to Dynamic Motorsport Experience. They hooked it up. It looks great. And I also got the stock springs in the trunk just in case, what I'm saying, if we have to put it back. All right, guys, so as far as ride quality and how the springs are on the car, I know you guys are probably wondering. We got the H&R Super Sport springs. So these are the ones that go down even more, and they're a lot more sportier ride. Now, just expect that when you get these springs, the ride quality will harshen up, and that's just the given. And you're really not going to be like riding on clouds or something, but the ride overall is great. The springs are super high quality, so H&R always a good brand to go with. The car handles a little better. It's obviously much stiffer, and the handling, you can definitely tell it's nice, precise handling. The only bad part is now that there's sometimes little bumps on the road, you feel those little bumps. But for me, I don't really care about that. The handling is definitely overshadowing the fact that you feel a little bit more bumps or whatever it is. So definitely recommend getting it. And once we put the wheels on, the fitment's going to be super sick. So if you're looking for an easier ride, just go for sport springs. You don't have to go for the super sports, but I like the super sports. They fit the car. And the drop as far as the back is about 1 inch, and then the front is about 1.5 inches. Depends on which suspension you have. So this car is the M Sport suspension. So if I would have gotten the regular sport springs, it wouldn't have dropped a lot, and it wouldn't really be a big difference. So that's why I also got the super sport springs. All right, so you already know about the 100 sub giveaway. So get to the 100 sub mark. Drop some comments, drop some suggestions, and then I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.